Keith Jen, Governor DeSantis says that he saw prosecutors ignoring the law in other states, so he wanted to know if it was happening here. The governor's staff spoke with line prosecutors and police across Florida, and the governor says one name repeatedly came up: Andrew Warren. Hillsborough State Attorney Andrew Warren has been one of Florida's most outspoken progressive prosecutors. Last year, he told us he was bracing for budget cuts, concerned for public safety.
That means fewer prosecutors to hold criminals accountable.
Andrew Warren has put himself publicly above the law.
But today at a news conference, the governor and law enforcement and Warren's own jurisdiction all claimed Warren is not holding the most serious accountable and refusing to prosecute certain crimes.
Andrew Warren is a fraud. Yeah, did you get that?
From Tampa PD's former chief to Hillsborough County's current sheriff.
Over the last several years, State Attorney Warren has acted as an adjudicator of all, as if some type of supreme authority, by reducing charges, dropping cases, and single-handedly determining what crimes will be legal or illegal in our county.
Governor Ron DeSantis suspending Warren effective immediately, removing him from office and naming his replacement. Florida's Constitution gives DeSantis this power, specifically Article 4, Section 7. It states in part the governor may suspend any county officer for neglect of duty or incompetence. Andrew Warren was elected by the people of Hillsborough County not once but twice. So what do you say to people in the community who say that you're taking their vote away?
Well, the conduct that he has done has fell below the standard that's required in the Florida Constitution. When you're saying you're not going to enforce certain laws you don't like, that's a neglect of duty. I have to do this. I mean, that's my job to ensure that the laws are faithfully executed. And also in explaining his decision, the governor pointed to statements that Warren has made on transgender issues and abortion. Andrew Warren has publicly stated that he would not enforce Florida's new abortion law. The governor says you can't do that. A prosecutor cannot pick and choose what laws to enforce, Keith.
Now, the governor has utilized this specific constitutional power before. Remind us about when that took place.
Yeah, so it happened days after the governor took office. He suspended Broward County Sheriff. He said that the sheriff failed to keep children safe during the Parkland school shooting. So it's happened before.